What's up mga kanay? Sa videong ito ay pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano na nga ba ngayon mag-transfer from BPI to GCash. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito and you're into tutorial and informational videos, please like, share, and subscribe lang kanays. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung pag-subscribe ninyo sa ating channel and makakasigurado ka na marami pa tayong upcoming videos na gaya nito na aking i-upload this coming days. Going back sa ating topic for this video, once na nakalagin ka na sa inyong BPI account, ay itap mo lang ang transfer option. Then itap yung to another bank. Next ay itap ang transfer from. Tas itap ang account na panggagalingan ng fund transfer. After that, itap naman ang transfer to. Then under InstaPay, you'll see here that transfer funds in real time of up to 50,000 per transaction. Available 24/7 weekdays and weekends. Mobile key should be activated to use this feature. It is important na activated na yung mobile key po ninyo since part po ng procedure ng pag-transfer later ang pag-enter ng mobile key, which is using code or biometrics. In case di pa po nakasetup yung mobile key ninyo, meron din po akong tutorial na recently made lang then na pwede nyong mapanood on how to activate the mobile key, particularly using code. Pero kung nakasetup na po ito, next ay hanapin lang under banks yung Exchange/GCash. You can also utilize the search button dito sa taas tapos select mo lang yung Exchange/GCash. Then enter lang yung GCash number na pagpapadalahan sa account number field. Tapos i-enter kung kanino nakapangalan yung GCash sa account name. You also have the option to add this GCash account to your favorites. Tapos, select mo lang yung continue. Next, say enter ang transfer amount. Pwede din kayong mag-add ng note, although optional lamang ito. There's also a note here that applicable service charges may be deducted from your account. Tapos, hit lang natin yung continue. The next page will ask you kung tama lahat ng details na in-enter mo. So please make sure lamang po na accurate lahat ng info, lalong-lalo na yung GCash number. Mapapansin din natin na mayroong applicable na 25 pesos fee ang mag-a-apply for this transaction. If all good na po kayo with the terms and conditions, tap nyo lang yung confirm to proceed. Then you'll ask about your mobile key, in which it is either using your biometrics or code. Sa tutorial ko for mobile key, yun ay using the code. Pero for this transaction, kanina in-update ko yung mobile security key ko into biometrics. Kaya for this transaction, biometrics yung hiningi sa akin. Finally, you'll be prompted that your transfer was successful. You also see here your confirmation number for this transaction. So that's it mga kanays. We're done with the latest procedures on how to transfer from BPI to GCash. See you in our next video.